Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your option trading with CBOE, full guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your options trading with CBOE, first, log into your CBOE account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the CBOE website. Once logged in, navigate to the options trading section of the platform. Review the current positions in trades you have open. Identify the trades you want to reset or close. To close a trade, select the position you wish to exit. Click on the Close or Sell button to initiate the process. Confirm the details of your trade, including the number of contracts and the price. After reviewing, execute the order. Once all desired trades are closed, it's time to reassess your strategy. Analyze your trading history and performance metrics. Identify patterns or mistakes to avoid in future trades. Research market trends and gather information on the current options landscape. Develop a new trading plan based on your insights. Decide on your risk tolerance and profit goals. Choose a new set of options contracts that align with your updated strategy. Before executing any trades, double-check all market data and conditions. Confirm your new orders and place your trades. Monitor your positions regularly to stay updated on market movements. Adjust your strategy as necessary based on ongoing analysis. This reset process should provide you with a clearer path forward in your options trading journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.